Hi, I'm Tracy from Dine Right, and today I'm going to cook one of my favourite recipes. It's Italian roast chicken with peppers or capsicums and olives. It's actually a Nigella recipe that uses the oven, but I'm adapting it and I'm going to use the Dine Right large skillet and also the 4 litre, and we're going to cook it on top of the stove and just finish it in the oven. It's quick and it's easy. All right, let's get started. What you're going to need is a chicken. Get the best chicken you can afford. If it's organic and it's free range, that's the best. But just get the best one you can afford. You're going to need at least 4 capsicums, and you can choose what colour, but I like to use a couple of each colour. You're going to need a lemon. You're going to also need rosemary, 3 leeks, 100 grams of olives, salt, pepper, and of course, lots of olive oil. So if you can get some good quality olive oil. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, here we have our chicken, and we're going to place the 2 pieces of, cut our lemon in half and place them in the chicken cavity with the two of your 4 rosemary sprigs. Now we've cut our capsicum into slices, and we've cut our leeks into 3 logs. We've washed and cut them, and all we do is we assemble all of these together, scatter them around. Now I like to use my hands. Wash your hands and use your fingers. It feels so good doing that. Okay, so we're going to put all our capsicum and our leeks in. We're going to toss all of our olives in there as well. Okay, so we've tossed our olives through. Now we'll put some olive oil, nice generous amount of olive oil. We put some sea salt, grab some nice sea salt, and some pepper. Now, I use 2 spoons, or you can use your fingers like I said before. Get that olive oil all around those vegetables. They will reduce as you cook. So make a little bit of a well around here, and then we're going to take our chicken. We're going to pop our chicken in the middle. Now don't panic if it's sitting up a bit high, because this will reduce down. Sprinkle the chicken with a little bit of salt and a tiny bit of olive oil. And we're also going to put some pepper. Okay, so don't forget these last 2 sprigs of rosemary. We just pop them into the side. Okay, and there's your chicken all ready to go. We take our large 4 litre cover and we place on top of the chicken. That's ready, and we're going to take it over to the stove top. Okay, we're going to pop our chicken over here on a 3/4 heat. Now we're going to wait until the steam starts building up. When the steam builds up, depends how fast your hot plate is. When it builds up, it's going to puff out the side, and we'll show you that in a couple of minutes. When it starts puffing out of the side, we turn it to low and we seal it. It'll automatically seal itself. Turn it down to about 4. And so in this induction, I'm starting on 8, and then once the steam comes out the side, I'm going to drop it to 4. And we're going to leave it for 45 minutes. Okay, so now let's have a look at our chicken. Your chicken should resemble something like this. Okay, by now you should have already preheated your oven to about 200. Get it really nice and hot, and then we're going to take this chicken and for the next 20 minutes just crisp it up in the oven. Okay, now it's time to take our chicken out of the oven. Now the handles will be hot, so make sure you've got something. And here is our magnificent looking chicken after just 10 minutes in the oven. Doesn't that look wonderful? Now what we're going to do is take the chicken out of the pan here, and we're going to set it on the cutting board and let it rest. Very important to let all of your roasts rest, and then we're going to just return this back to the oven to get those last bits of those leeks all crisped up. We'll be back in a minute. And here are our beautiful vegetables, all nice and glowing and golden. Now all you need to do is find yourself a lovely platter, decorate it with a few lemons and a bit more rosemary, cut up your chicken and arrange it artistically on the platter and serve it up and enjoy. Now, if you'd like more videos like this, check out our website and we'll have plenty more videos for you. Ciao for now.